Welcome all to our presentation. My name is Callum and my teammates are Yue, Ungi, and Donovan, and we form Team Lee Squared. Our presentation will run through our strategy known as MyOfficeBox. We were asked to develop a strategy to help MYOB and their business partners to overcome challenges presented by COVID-19. Therefore, we will utilize business data to improve MYOB's current line of products through digital transformation.
Technology is disrupting the workplace as we know it. 3 in 5 SMEs are likely to look for better uses of technology within their business due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The top 3 reasons why SMEs are more likely to use technology are to increase productivity, efficiency, and allow remote staff work. 78% of SMEs are using video calling to support their staff, and this drastic change has caused some issues. Firstly, the shift to isolation has made it more difficult for employees and clients to collaborate. 86% of executives cite lack of collaboration or ineffective communication for workplace failures. Remote work not only creates a collaboration barrier, but it makes people feel more isolated and unhappy. Less collaboration means that it's harder to make good decisions and share knowledge. Secondly, MYOB's ecosystem of products has a lack of much-needed business management technology built into them. Remote management has become a large part of the new COVID-19 world, and MYOB's current products mean that future business growth is negatively impacted and the number of potential customers are reduced.
So MyOfficeBox solves these key issues by providing a platform that increases productivity for employees. This increase in productivity is psychologically backed by the correlation between a great workspace design and higher employee engagement. Furthermore, the concept of building a virtual office is unique within the ANZ market with little to no substitutes.
MyOfficeBox will gather and track employee data, which will be harnessed by MyOfficeBox to provide a personalized AI assistant that helps employees keep on top of meetings, tasks, and other work whilst assisting them with structuring their day. This data is also accessible to managers and senior management for administrative and benchmarking purposes. MyOfficeBox will comprehensively integrate third-party software such as Zoom or Slack for ease of collaboration and integration into pre-existing virtual workspaces. Employees will have the ability to lock doors when in need of privacy or knock on doors if they're needing to enter.
The main page of MyOfficeBox looks like an office floor, where users can move around the workspace and interact with others. The user can click on another user and can request to chat, invite them into a meeting or a game room. Users can select a room to enter on the left-hand side menu or simply by clicking the room on the main floor. An AI personal assistant is always available at the bottom of the app, as users can quickly enter commands to navigate around. The purpose of the main floor is to enable workspace transparency and to encourage more social interaction. Communication between users is made more accessible as everyone can see where everyone else is. An important feature of MyOfficeBox is the lounge, where a company's customers can register as a guest, wait in the lounge, and be led into a meeting room. So this is our design of the meeting room. Video calling is the main functionality of the meeting room, where each user's video is streamed across the top panel. The center panel has a column of MYOB's third-party apps, where the user can choose an app they may need in the meeting, launch it remotely on their PC, and share their screen to MyOfficeBox for collaboration. MyOfficeBox will also have the ability to add a games or social room, where multiple users can hop onto and join a server, where they can play a variety of third-party games. Our last key functionality of MyOfficeBox is a social expert tracking. A user can navigate to the social page and see their stats. The stats will be updated in real time from the back end of the application. The user's social data will be stored and calculated for social reward programs and can be analyzed to continually improve the app's experience.
So how does it work? MyOfficeBox will be built using modern web app technology, utilizing Google's backend as a service through Firebase, and fully integrating APIs from our strategic partners to provide a cloud-based application that can slot seamlessly into any setup. Key employee data points are collected throughout the workday, then collated and analyzed daily to train our personal assistant for continuous improvement and integration into MyOfficeBox. All employee information will be stored safely in the cloud database, as will any interactions or conversations that take place.
Now, looking at our plan to market, we kicked off market research throughout the last week. We need to continue our conceptual design and create a prototype with core functionalities. Next, market validation. We will conduct interviews and continuously iterate MyOfficeBox to reflect critical feedback collected from clients. Then, we will launch our beta product and test with organizations. This better connects us with our target market and provides essential feedback on our product. Lastly, we will launch MyOfficeBox targeting SMEs. Currently, our team envisions a subscription-based model that markets this product as an additional tool to existing partners and a package deal to entice new businesses.
We forecast approximately $3.5 million in R&D and establishing costs, and of course, ongoing cloud expenditures. However, with nearly 11 million users on board with the similar product in the United States, we believe that MyOfficeBox will be able to gain similar traction in the Australian and New Zealand markets and bring at least 150,000 new users into the MYOB ecosystem.
So, to conclude, we were asked to determine ways that help MYOB provide new technologies to help businesses survive in the COVID-19 world. Therefore, we have developed the MyOfficeBox platform to allow users to interact and collaborate with one another in a virtual office environment. As a result, MyOfficeBox provides MYOB with a new product in their ecosystem that attracts more businesses by helping them increase productivity within the company. Thank you.